Hey guys, what's up? Got the new Air Jordan 11 Low. So here it is. Size 10, retail 140. Colorway is white, varsity red, black. Alright, let's go into the box. We got the white Jumpman on top, the fingerprint of Michael Jordan, the blackout Jumpman Jordan, and then we got premium crafted performance inspired by the greatest ever. So let's get into the shoes. So start out with, we got white mesh up on the upper, then you got a little bit of premium leather back here with a mini Jumpman on it, and then 23 in red on the black. We got white patent leather that wraps around the whole shoe. Let's go to the outsole. First you got the white hits, then you got the red outsole, and then you have carbon fiber. You can tell that's real. Then you got the Phylon midsole. It's pretty hard, not very soft like the Concords. And red Jumpman inside. And then, last but not least, Jumpman Jordan. Right there on the thing. And then you got your basketball hoop laces. So yeah, Air Jordan 11 Low. eBay link in the description, on sale and on the website. Check any one of them. Peace out.